Namaste viewers. Thank you for choosing SELE Smart School for your child. Sirs and ma'ams, SELE is an ingenious program of English language acquisition conditioning. Since most of people are familiar only with the process of ELT, some of you may have found SELE strange and offbeat. In this video, we will give you a brief introduction of SELE and tell how you can facilitate the process. Please watch the video till the end.
SELE is based on English language acquisition conditioning. The learning process corresponds with the requirements of living in SELE. It replaces teaching with conditioning and learning with involvement. Through SELE, children acquire English language in the manner of acquiring the native language. Naturally, the language learning faculties of children are activated in relation with English in the same manner as they are active in the process of acquisition of the first language. Since much of a language is used in mind itself through reflection, study material, which requires only reading and writing, is found inadequate in SELE. So, as teaching and learning are replaced by conditioning and involvement, study material is replaced by psycholinguistic stimuli in it. These psycholinguistic stimuli, A, stimulate the perception, reflection and expression through English in children. They give children the exposure to English language data in naturally graded manner. C, they create lifelike contexts for behaving in English language. D, they allow the children independence to develop a situation and respond to it according to their will. E, they allow the language influencers, who are mainly teachers and family members, to improve the children's lexical and grammatical inadequacies and to cultivate their sensibilities. EF, they automatically adjust the linguistic skills of listening, understanding, thinking, telling and questioning in natural order and proportion. G, these allow the children the opportunities to form their linguistic response spontaneously to uncertain and varied speech stimulants. How you can be an English language influencer for your child. Though the much of the ELAC of children is done in the school itself, through the execution of SELE program, parents and family members can facilitate it by ensuring the following. Check the child's linguistic response to the stimulants given in form of cues and situations. Modify the child's linguistic response according to your family and social situations. Use the corrective efforts after the creative efforts. Be an English language behavior partner, ELB, of your child and help them to transform the acquired part in English language for living skill. Assimilate the learned situations with situations being learned. Reduce the rigidity of mother tongue influence, MTI, of your child through linguistic shifts. Make the use of CDS, child-directed speech, as you make in the case of the native language according to the age of the child. Make the use of gestures and postures for conveying the signified meaning and for invoking the signifier for the signified language. Attend the workshops and seminars as and when arranged by the school for this purpose. Keep giving your feedback in this matter to the SELE department of your child's school. Thank you for watching.